Now, if phenol is reacted with bromine water, which is a very good source of bromine, sidagi bromine mayam ama tholani aduga magi resonance number am orga every orthone para position da maka electron mayam ama amko lai halle dana ko aduna sidagi bromine si top kai da every orthone para position da thom gyan darba sigi IUPAC nomenclature si 1 2 4 6 tribromophenol. This is hello guys, sigi video sida ai phenols, alcohols, phenols and the ethers and have a chapter do class 12 ki adugi revision reactions ni revision is boards the loina reaction lere preparation as well as chemical reaction. Now let me explain this preparation as well as chemical reactions of phenol in this whole board. Video sibu share the view noi gi friends sing da. Let's start phenol hai si kai no benzene da OH tap se sibu ikoina kai go ba phenol hai duna kau ba ko adu phenol se na hai sina phenol gi magi derivatives mayam du punsal laga ko adu ikoina punna kai ko ba phenol sin hai. For example, benzene da OH ani tap sal le ni ko adu ga di sigi IUPAC nomenclature da kari hairani 1 da OH samatabe 2 da OH samatabe, therefore its IUPAC nomenclature will be benzene 1,2-diol. Now if say the OH say 1 da and the 3 da taba magadi benzene 1,3-diol, 4 da taba 1,4 da taba magana benzene 1,4-diol hydrogen carbon have ko. Now next example is OH ki respect da ani suba carbon atom da CHO le re ne ko ani suba mage ani suba da ko adu ga di compound gi maming se kamaina. Now CHO ga OH ga ani se priority kana da p gani hai kan da CHO da p gani because CHO has higher priority over OH in the priority order of functional groups. Aduna CHO tapasi carbon atoms da 1 p rani se da 2 p rani ba ko aduna 2 hydroxy benzaldehyde hai benzene the CHO tapasi we koina kai ko ba benzaldehyde hydrogen ka we ko. Now sigi common name the salicylic acid hydrogen ka we, this is called salicylic acid yare ko adumaina benzene sigi COOH ortho position haina su khang nei ko ortho position the COH tabagadi magi 2 hydroxy benzoic acid ne ka we or salicylic acid haina su ka we mai maming si common name the cause salicylic acid. This is 2 nitro, this is 2 nitro phenol aduga sina picric acid ka hui magi common name da OH da be carbon atoms 1 p rani 2 3 4 5 6 aduna 2 4 6 trinitrophenol in high my IUPAC nomenclature. These are some IUPAC nomenclatures of phenol and its derivatives. Now let us proceed to the preparation of phenol. There are 4 preparations of phenol. One is from chlorobenzene by reacting with sodium hydroxide and heating the mixture at 263 Kelvin and at 200 to 300 atm pressure niko kharap pikre atm pressure haibani aduga acid catalyst amagi presence reaction to matam this chlorine is substituted by OH and this is a substitution reaction SNAR haina su kawi. AR means aryl haibani ko SN1 SN2 nate SNAR in high aryl nucleophilic substitution reaction haiba ado Cl sida kana substitution tore OH na substitution tore and this process is called Dawes process and so ko ado seda sigi yamna luriba 623 Kelvin the heat over the car lady but 300 atm pressure the applied over the car lady said no we can ease this reaction, we can make this reaction easier by adding some electron withdrawing groups. For example, NO2 से strong electron withdrawing group ni benzene ring the nucleophile electron attack to se हमने लुई है करीगिनो है कंदा benzene has excess of electron due to these 3 pi bonds. Aduna nucleophile OH minus ion attack to buse si lai han na bagi damakda benzene ring the electron density han badar ka leba. And for that we can attach electron withdrawing groups such as NO2 so that the reaction becomes easier. NO2 hapsan matam da say for example para position da ko NO2 hapsan matam da kamai to ba hello instead discuss the vision ko para position da NO2 hapsan lagadi sigi temperature se 623 Kelvin the heat to badar ka lebe se 423 Kelvin the heat to reaction do yare but 2 or not 3 atm pressure khaktamak apply to badar ka lai sidana 200 to 300 ki range da pressure se pisan badar ka lai which is a very high pressure. And acid catalyst amagi presence ko aduna phenol is formed. Next preparation of phenol is from benzene diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium salt is prepared from aniline by reacting with HNO2. HNO2 is nitrous acid in presence of NaCl at temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. And this can be NaNO2 and HCl. Temperature can be 273 to 278 Kelvin, that is just 0 to 5 degrees Celsius in Kelvin scale. Okay. Now, if this aniline is reacted with this HNO2, then benzene diazonium salt, benzene ko N2Cl, sibu ko na benzene diazonium salt, BDS in a short ira na ko. Sige reaction se, si reaction sibu ko na kay ko ba diazotization hydrogen go. This reaction is called diazotization. Exam da dum hangali class 12 ta ko. Aduga now this benzene diazonium salt is warmed with water, then this water can act easily as nucleophile to attack this carbon atom. So the benzene the N tabi N se mangon the positive charge like positive charge to nitrogen the positive charge la ko benzene ring the attach to rini ko, and that positive charge my structure se sumaina lay bane ko si benzene le re sidai da N triple bond and say the plus say the lone pair adugo say the Cl minus n. This is the structure of benzene diazonium salt, and this N plus is a very strong electron withdrawing group. Aduna mana electron si kanna ne kedoba sing thoya aduna water can easily attack this carbon atom to displace this N2 as gas. Aduga sidagi ko hydrogen ama water dagi hydrogen ama kana Cl na sing thogra HCl form to bi ko they are byproducts, that is not important, and our main product is phenol. The third reaction which is not so important is benzene sulfonic acid, BSA, benzene sulfonic acid. When it is reacted with sodium hydroxide, then sodium phenoxide is formed, and if it is undergone acidic hydrolysis, then phenol is formed. Okay, this is not so important. And the fourth one, which is the most important preparation of phenol, is this reaction. This is the industrial preparation of phenol. If we want to prepare large amount of phenol, then we apply this method. This is isopropyl benzene, CH3, this is isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene is also called cumene, and if this cumene is reacted with oxygen, atmospheric oxygen, then cumene peroxide is formed. This is called cumene peroxide. Oxygen single bond containing compounds are called peroxides. Okay, this is cumene peroxide, and if it is slightly heated, then this peroxide bond is not so stable, and this peroxide bond, when it is broken, this has to be also broken, so that this electron and this electron combines to form this single bond. And sigi electron duga songi somdagi lakudo electron to duga punchal se double bond ko phenol and acetone se form to he. Acetone is byproduct. Okay, phenol is our major product. Yareko, these are some preparations of kanagi phenol. Now let us come to the chemical reactions of phenol. Phenol sigi hydrogen se acidic oil because they the phenoxide ion form to rakani dana ko phenoxide ion se stable oil due to resonance. Aduna acidic oil rabani na metal ga reaction tawi sodium phenoxide form tawi, or sodium hydroxide ka reaction tawi kari form tawi sodium phenoxide form tawi. If it is reacted with sodium, then the byproduct will be hydrogen gas, and if it is reacted with sodium hydroxide, then the byproduct will be our water. Okay, Now, these are some order of acidic nature containing phenol. Okay, this CH3 is electron donating group, and NO2, this is NO2 nitro group, is electron withdrawing group. Okay, now electron withdrawing group increases acidic strength, electron donating group decreases acidic strength. So methyl tabak sidagi phenol na acidic character wangane ba ko phenol dagi amaka kedoba NO2 tab acidic nature amaka wangane ba. And one important order of acidity including phenol is what? Phenol and acetic acid. Phenol and acetic acid se kanan hen acidic nature wangi habni sida acetic acid na phenol dagi hena kedoba acidic nature wangi. Phenol gi O minus ions hai sidagi kanagi acetic acid ki acetate ions in ne sin stable oi be hele sidagi seda resonating structure ani khatang lai but ani makta oxygen da negative charge lakani sidai my resonating structure si manga go malai but in those resonating in most of the resonating structures the negative charge is on a less electronegative kana carbon da lay ba aduna yam stable oite ko aduna sigi acetate ions in hen stable oibani na phenoxide ion dagi, therefore acetic acid is a stronger acid than kana phenol yare ko sima. Okay, mathang reduction reaction of kanagi phenol. Phenol is zinc das kai khon hit to matam dane this zinc abstracts this oxygen to form zinc oxide, and this hydrogen is attached to the benzene, then this is our benzene. Next reaction is what? Oxidation reaction of phenol. If it is reacted heated with kana K2Cr2O7, K2Cr2O7 is a strong oxidizing agent. Ado sigi sikona hit to matam da kamai to benzoquinone haba compound form to sidai da sigi hydrogen sim thokrani sidai hydrogen am lai dana ko sidai hydrogen am lai hydrogen thokrane ba adu ki jaga da kana la ba oxygen lae oxygen gi addition to ba hydrogen gi remove to ba is nothing but oxidation. This compound is called benzoquinone. The last reaction, which is very important and frequently asked in both CBSE and council final exam, is electrophilic substitution reaction. Sigi kano se dum hangi ko. Okay, ESR is electrophilic substitution reaction. In electrophilic substitution reaction, this OH is a very strong activating and orthopara directing group. Activating and orthopara directing group due to resonance, and type of resonance is plus R. Okay, sidai da lone pair lai haba ko si lone pair si sidai resonance thoga sidai da electron excess lehan gani mathang se la aga sidai da electron excess lehan gani mathang se double bond semaga sigi si la aga sidai electron excess lehan gani ortho and the para position the electron si ya na inacula level rich electron rich. The ortho and para positions are having excess of electron due to resonance of OH. So an electrophile would easily attack these positions. There is no excess of electron on meta position, therefore OH is not a meta directing group. Okay, the first reaction, important reaction of ESR of phenol is bromination. In bromination we have two again reactions, reacting phenol with bromine along with carbon disulfide, which reduces the reactivity of bromine. So either ortho or para nitrophenol, bromophenols, these are formed, but between these major product is para bromophenol. Now if phenol is reacted with bromine water, which is a very good source of bromine, sidagi bromine mayam ama tholani aduga magi resonance number or every ortho and para position da maka electron mayam ama amko lai halle dana ko aduna sidagi bromine si top khaida every ortho and para position da thom Gyandarba. Sige IUPAC nomenclature is 1, 2, 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol. This is the product. Now next reaction is nitration. This is bromination. Next reaction is nitration. In nitration also we have two types of reaction, reacting phenol with either dilute HNO3 or concentrated HNO3. With dilute HNO3, similar reaction occurs here. Either ortho nitro or para nitro phenols are, these two are formed as the products, but between these two, orthonitrophenol is our major product. Why? Usually para isomer is the major product, but here ortho nitrophenol is our major product because of intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond laibna maram organa sim molecule se stable oi intramolecular hydrogen bond laibagi ko. Since this is stable, this will be formed in large amount. Magi stability do yamna sigi comparison the hanthayeba ko adana masi minor product oina form togani para nitrophenols. Now sigi ani se aina say the 1 and the 2 haiduna pire ko sum sigi ani sigi order ni say the point kharagi ani gi order ire. Now the BP boiling point haibani ko boiling point se kanana hengi hai kan the para nitrophenols ni hengani because boiling point see intermolecular force of attraction that depend on here is the intermolecular force of attraction, here will be the boiling point. So sidai the hydrogen sina hydrogen sina intermolecular hydrogen bond same with the madi intramolecular the oina use to thokre badna orthonitrophenol ki marak the intermolecular hydrogen bond ki possibility yamna name aneba or lay roeba ko, but here Sigi hydrogen intramolecular the use of the aduna intermolecular hydrogen bond is possible in case of para nitrophenol. So intermolecular force of attraction si para nitrophenol na strong oi be hel neba ko aduna maram oraga magi kadowa boiling point 1 ga neba 2 gi se hadi para nitrophenol si neba 2 si ko magi boiling point 1 de hen gani. Now boiling point neba se ma gas that change to lie ba magi volatile nature is high. So boiling point name is ikanano ortho sinatro aduna magi volatility have a volatile nature 1 2 de hen gane ko. Now if this phenol is reacted with concentrated HNO3 then this is 1 this is 2 3 4 5 6 okay 2 4 6 trinitrophenol is formed, that is also called picric acid. So okay, this is about nitration of phenol. This is one reaction and this is another reaction. Okay, next reaction is Remer-Tiemann reaction, which is very important. Remer-Tiemann reaction the phenol se chloroform reaction or CHCl3 in presence of NaOH followed by acidic hydrolysis to form this salicylaldehyde. 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde is called salicylaldehyde. Okay, this is salicylaldehyde. Now this reaction is called Remer-Tiemann reaction, and this is an electrophilic substitution reaction. The electrophile used in this Remer-Tiemann reaction is CCl2 ... This is called dichlorocarbene. The electrophile used in Remer-Tiemann reaction is see nite yamna toin hangan ba question ni ko the dichlorocarbene kawi council di hangde habadi sigi mechanism du yaudabni na ko but nite di hangune RT reaction Remer-Tiemann reaction ko intermediate to idre intermediate iba khotba mark to sana de mark ama khaktani piraga exam da hangi di ko aduna yamna sang ibe da kalite. Now this is called Kolb's reaction. In Kolb's reaction phenol is reacted with carbon dioxide and sodium hydroxide followed by again acidic hydrolysis to form this our 2-hydroxybenzoic acid, which is also called salicylic acid. This is also called salicylic acid. Okay, the last reaction which is not so important is sulfonation of benzene phenol. Phenol is reacted with concentrated H2SO4 to form ortho-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid or para-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. Now in this sulfonation either this can be our major product or this can also be major product. This depends on temperature. If the reaction occurs below 100 degrees Celsius, this ortho-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid would be our major product, and if the reaction occurs higher than 100 degrees Celsius, hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid would be our major product. Okay, this is all about IUPAC nomenclature, preparation of phenol and chemical reactions of phenol. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Okay, thank you for today. Please share this video to your friends, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel.